Click on the Your Organization menu option to configure the account's organizational units. HR Selector supports complex organization structures, for example, an organization that has a holding company, called a Example Group, and 4 group companies, Example North, East, South and West. Each group company could then be further organized into divisions, departments, and groups. For this tutorial we will only configure Example South. Example South Limited has 7 distinct units. Organizational units can be any entity, such as companies, divisions, department, teams, or groups. Start by clicking the Edit Organization Details button. A company and department were created for you when you first registered. The pre-prepared Your Organization unit is currently selected, so we can click on its edit. We will configure it for the company, Example South. Assign it a reference. Change the name. Type of organizational unit. For the time being we can leave the address, as this is assigned later. Provide a contact name. Enter the website address. VAT number. Company registration number. Check the other details are correct. Click Save. Click OK. Click on Upload Logo. Click Browse. Double-click on the logo image. To add Example South's departments, we can select the department that has been configured for you. Click on Edit. Assign a reference. Assign a name. Type is already set to Department. Fields should be left blank if the information is going to be the same as the organizational unit above. For example, if the department was to have its own administrator, then the details can be entered here, otherwise it will inherit the contact from the organizational unit above, in this case Example South. Click on Save. Click OK. To add the other departments, click on Add on this level. Repeat the process for the board. Add administration. Add operations. Add IT. Then finance. And finally, marketing. We now have the organizational structure defined. When required, the organization structure can be further expanded over time. If we need to make any changes, select the organizational unit. Edit. Make any changes. Save. OK.